Welcome back to Squawk Box. Rick Santelli here live at CME HQ with the breaking news of the morning. Let's start out with initial jobless claims. Very close to expectations, 222,000. That follows a slightly revised 232,000, so we're down 10K. Continuing claims, 1,794,000. That is definitely a little bit hotter than expectations. In the rearview mirror, a subtle lower revision from 1,785,000 to 1,781,000. So we continue to remain under 1.8 million. The last time we were over that was the last week in March. Let's move towards April housing starts. Expected to be 1,421,000 seasonally adjusted annualized units. Comes in super light, 1,360,000. And of course, this is just the lowest since the rearview mirror, which took a huge downward revision to 1,287,000. These are really weak numbers. If you look at last month is the weakest level going all the way back to June of 2020. So these are huge misses on starts. Let's look at permits, 1,440,000. That is less than the 1,480,000 we were expecting. In the rearview mirror, a positive revision from 1,458,000 to 1,485,000. So the 1,440,000, that is the weakest going back to April of last year. Let's look at Philly Fed Business Outlook for May. That's a May number. 4.5, we're expecting a number closer to 8, so a little bit of a disappointment, but not much. And if you look back, we've had quite a streak of negative numbers, so this remaining positive is a fairly good thing. Now let's look at April import prices on a month-over-month basis, up 0.9%. That is the hottest going all the way back to March of 22. And if we look at ex-petroleum, comes down, but not very much, up 0.7. Up 0.7 is the hottest number since December of 22. If we look at import prices on a long-term basis, year over year, expecting up 0.4, almost triple, up 1.1%. That is the hottest going back to, you guessed it, Dece of 22, Dece of 22. Now let's look at export prices on a month-over-month basis, expecting up 0.2, more than double, up 0.5%, the hottest since February when it was up 0.7. And finally, export prices year over year, expected to be down a little over 1%. Finally comes close to expectations, down 1%. And down 1%, well, consider this. This is the 15th consecutive negative month-over-month change on year-over-year export prices. That is a good thing. That's a good thing. And last month moves from minus 1.4 to minus 1.6. So at least export prices are coming down a bit. And most likely, as we continue to watch the give and take on global trade, we should keep in mind that countries outside the U.S. are starting to look a whole lot better, especially in the Eurozone and to some extent the UK. So we want to pay really close attention to those numbers and the implications for such things as what their central banks are going to do and their currencies are going to do. Right now we have a 4.75 2-year, so we're up about a basis point since the numbers were up. That means it's up 3 basis points on the session. If you look at 10-year, currently at 4.34, they're up 2 basis points on these numbers and unchanged on the session. Joe, back to you.